let's look at this billing program that we had written in the previous sessions. Can we improve it further? Now, one of the major pain points in this is that every time I have to enter the item name. So can I avoid writing this item name every time? Because names can be small or lengthy. So let's use the dictionary type in Python. So let us say products is equal to, and here I'll say 101 colon Colgate salt paste 100 gram. It's better to write toothpaste, comma 102. Again, now let's say nail cutter, comma 103. Nail polish. Let's say we have only these three items in our store. Okay. Now, what changes would we have to do here? We will have to make changes, no? So here, when we accept this item name, so first of all, instead of accepting the item name, we are going to accept the item code. And the moment we accept the item code, we display the name. But here the item code, that is key value pair in a dictionary. This is the key, this is the value. So this key is int. So that means our input of item code should be in int. So let's convert it into int. And now let's print the name of the corresponding entry. So products within square brackets item, which is what contains the item code that was entered. Okay. Now enter the price, enter the quantity. Now, here nothing else. Oh, here we are appending the item name to the list. So this item name we have to again pick it up. So products item. Okay. Anywhere else do we have to change? I don't think so. So let's run this and see what happens. Now I enter 102. Is it nail cutter? Yes, it is nail cutter. Price is, let's say, 55.4. Quantity 2. No. So perfectly fine. So it's easier to type a code than to type the name. Okay. Think about it like this. Price is specific to a particular item. So why can't we put that price also here so that we can just pick it up? We can do that. But now instead of having a key and a value pair, we will have a key which will point to another dictionary. So we have a dictionary within a dictionary. So we have to give a name. So name will be a key, and Colgate salt toothpaste 100 gram will be the value. But now we can give multiple key value pairs. We can say price colon say 55.4. Similarly, we can say name colon and price colon, and this is nail cutter, let's say 108.5. Yes. Similarly, let's do for this as well. Name nail polish. Price is, let's say nail polish is 155.75. Now what is this red underline that is coming? Expected comma. Where is it expecting comma? Oh, I have not bring it here. And we finally close the products. Here one extra spacing is required. Now this price has been included, so which means here also we'll have to take care. First thing we have to do is make sure that we don't accept it, and then this price we have to pick it up from the products. So products Corresponding key is what? Item. And for that, the corresponding entry in the sub dictionary is price. Same thing will happen here also when we are adding the price. So let's copy paste it. Copy paste. Now let's run this again and see what happens. 102 quantity is 3. Yes. 103, it is picking up nail polish. Great. Quantity is say 2. No. But now in printing it is giving a problem. No issues because we took care of it. Any changes respect to these products, we took care of it in add item, but not in print. So we have to take care of it in print now. So let's see what we can do. This should actually work. Which line? 34. Line 34 is giving a problem. Line 34, this one. See, remember the first line is, the first element is, what it is displaying is the item name originally. Now it is item code. That item code is int. And int we are trying to left justify. So instead of this, we have to pick up from the products the name. So which means here we should not add, we should add the name of the product itself. Products item name, yes, within quotes. Now let's see what happens. 102 quantity 2, yes. 103 quantity 3, no. Yes, nail cutter, nail polish. Coming perfectly, maybe 1 or 2 tabs more. So tap. So our data entry has reduced because we have to only enter the code and the quantity. Previously, we used to add 2 more. That is the name of the product and the price. Now we don't have to do that. Okay, and which means basically that the data entry errors will reduce drastically. Okay, now the problem now is, let me run it and show it to you. If I say 105, it will give me an error. Why? Because it says key error. That means there is no corresponding key in this products 105. So which means we have to put error handling code here. Right? And let's not print this. Let's try to add this here itself. Line dot append products item name except or finally expected. Okay. Except, that is exception. Either it will succeed, this line of code will succeed, or there will be an exception. If there is an exception, then we print invalid item code. Please re-enter. Now, the issue is we have to keep repeating it till it is a valid entry. So, valid item equal to true. No, let's begin with assuming that it is false. While not valid item. So now all this will go further. Either this will work or it will not work. If it doesn't work, exception will be raised. But if it runs, then we can say valid item equal to true. And if it is exception, we print an error message and leave it at that. So what will happen? It will go back. It is still not valid. So it will ask him to re-enter. Let's see whether it actually works or not. Let's say 101 quantity 2. Yes. 105 invalid item code, please re-enter. 103 quantity 3. Yes. 106 again re-enter. 101 quantity 2. No. Yes. So how many entries we have actually made? We have made 1, 2. No, this was an invalid entry. 2, This was again a invalid entry 3. So 3 items have been printed. So again here too many decimal places. So what do we do here? What we'll do here is we will ask it to format the output colon 0.0 f, or let's say 2f. Let's run this. 101 2, yes. 102 2, yes. 103 5, no. Now it is coming perfectly. The only issue is here again because of the length of this. So left justify it to, let's say, 30. So 101 2, yes. 102 2, yes. 103, say 4, no. One more problem here. This is also not properly aligned. So let's shift 2 more tabs. I think 1 tab will do. So that will be this total. Let's say 1 tab. I think 1 tab should do F10. Let's final run. 2, yes. 102 4, no, yes. But this should also be 0.2f. So that 2 decimal places are there for this as well. That's it. Bye.